Hello everybody. I'll wait a couple minutes before people get on. Today's been a better day. Gabe's feeling a lot better, even though he's on a talking binge right now. Well, today I'm going to be talking about the Flawless 4, which is a brush that's awesome looking. It's got a little hole for your foundation, the liquid foundation, the primer, and then the concealer. It's pretty easy with the brush. You could do it all in one, or you could do it in steps. I'm going to do it in 2 steps because I've been not getting much sleep, so I got a lot of bags underneath my eyes. First, you take the brush and the primer, put a couple drops on the brush. Wait a minute. There you go. That. Put a couple of drops on the brush. Don't need tons of. So then, after you need your foundation, make sure you shake it a little bit. And then put a couple drops on your brush. Really don't need much. 3 to 6 drops only. Since I'm doing it in 2 steps, I'm not. You could put your concealer on there too, but I'm just going to do the foundation and the primer. Then just start putting it on. Pretty easy. What's great about this brush is it's so soft, which I like soft stuff on my skin. Pretty easy, see? And it's pretty much done. And then the liquid foundation will dry to a powder. For your concealer, just put a couple of drops. I like to put it on my finger, that way I got more control, but you could use the brush too. When you do your concealer, most people want to do the U shape, but you need to go down a little bit. So it's like a triangle shape. That way it blends in better. And then take your brush and blend it in. When it comes to makeup, the biggest thing people have problems with is blending in. So, I'm a kind of person that don't like to look too crazy with my makeup. I like to more now all natural looking. So, blend in. It should take only a couple of seconds to blend in. As you can tell, my bags are going away, which is awesome because I don't get much sleep as it is. I'm sure a lot of you out there have kids, tend to not get as much sleep too, especially newborns or other younger kids. Then pretty simple, see? All nice and pretty. And what I used was the Flawless 4, which is this brush, the primer, the foundation, and the concealer. Pretty easy. Right now it's going having a deal, $99, so go on and buy it because you can tell there's awesome results from just using the 4. And remember, with the brush you could put all 3 of them on. Put a couple drops of your foundation, a couple drops of your concealer, and then of course your primer. And you can do it all in one swoop if you're on time. And if you got a lot of bags, do it in 2 steps. That's the beauty of this product. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay beautiful.